is an emergency notice from the Curry County Sheriff's Office. Due to fire conditions, the following area is at Level 3 Go Now Evacuation Notice, below Half Moon Bar Lodge to 2 Mile Creek. Level 3 means leave immediately. There is extreme danger and you should evacuate now. If you choose to ignore this alert, public safety personnel may not be available to help you. Do not stop to gather belongings or to protect your home. Leave as fast as possible. Drive carefully, turn on your headlights, and follow instructions from local authorities. Do not return to the affected area until an all clear is given by local authorities.